Coletta's back in her old hunting ground. But this patch is also home to a clan of the cheetah mother's old adversaries, the hyenas. Hyenas have cubs to look after and feed, too. Both newborns in the den and younger animals of a similar age to Coletta's cubs. The adults guard their dens ferociously and will meet any intruders with characteristic aggression. Yet again, Coletta's family has wandered into a highly dangerous situation. Coletta has defeated single hyenas before. But she has the whole clan on her tail today. She hangs back, allowing the cubs to get ahead. Raising the hair on her shoulders to look larger and firing warning growls at the aggressors. But she can't shake them off. Perhaps higher ground may give the cheetahs an advantage. But their adversaries aren't giving up that easily. Coletta's now outnumbered by 3 to 1. The brave cubs are standing their ground, mimicking their mother. A family of 4 hissing cheetahs is much more of a challenge for the hyena clan. They're giving up. Coletta's family has prevailed. This time, she's not surrendering her favorite territory. And neither are the cubs. They're full of their mother's indomitable spirit. Perhaps their fortunes are changing at last. It's November. Across Kenya, there have been 6 long months without significant rainfall. But now, at last, the balance is shifting. In Laboisho, the day darkens. On a new kill, Coletta and her ever bolder cubs can feel something in the air. Now they've secured their patch, Coletta's young brood can grow big and strong. And what's coming should make them stronger still. last, the rains have come. The cubs have never experienced anything quite like this. Across Laikipia and north to Samburu, the bands of rain are finally sweeping in. But this year has been the driest for 2 decades. Driven by climate change, the rains are becoming more erratic, and each passing year provides more challenges. Just now, though, it's a moment to set troubles aside. With the rain comes hope. Surviving perils aplenty, Kuleta has raised 3 cubs nearly to adolescence. And in Laikipia, Phoenix has shown the wisdom of her years. She's ready to raise yet another litter of puppies that could recolonize the north of Kenya. Samburu is now replenished too, with fresh new growth. Once dry watering holes are full again. And Malka's breakaway group has arrived to drink, bathe and eat. Shaka and Sheba have made it through the drought. And now the rains have come, they can enjoy the first proper mud wallow of their lives. A full family reunion is now imminent. Anastasia and the rest of the royals have returned to Samburu. And at last, the whole herd is reunited. This extended family will face many challenges in the years ahead. They'll need to be tough and resilient to survive this unpredictable but beautiful world. For now, though, adults and babies alike are at peace. For today at least, they don't need to chase the rains anymore.
Hey Love Nature fans, be sure to like and subscribe to catch all our wild animal stories. Get closer to nature right here on YouTube.